Have you ever wondered what finance really is and why it's so important? Whether you're managing your personal budget, running a business, or just curious about how government fund projects, finance plays a role in everything. Hi, and welcome to Finance and Strategy Academy. Today, we are breaking down the basics of finance, what it is, why it matters, and how it affects every part of your life. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of personal, corporate, and public finance, as well as some key concepts like savings, investments, and budgeting. So let's dive right in. So, what exactly is finance? Finance is the management of money and resources to be able to achieve goals, whether personal, business, or societal. Finance is all about making smart decisions with money and resources. It is like the engine that drives our personal goals, business objective, and government plans. But to really get this, we need to break it down to three main areas, which are personal finance, which deals with managing one's money in terms of budgeting, savings, and investing. Corporate finance, which deals with how business makes smart financial decisions to be able to maximize value and profit. And lastly, public finance, which focuses on how government manages money to be able to serve its citizens. So let's start with personal finance. Personal finance is all about how you manage your money. Things like budgeting, saving, and investing. For example, let's say you earn $2,000 a month. How do you decide how much to spend, save, or invest? Personal finance gives you the tool to answer these questions. Here is a sample rule, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% can go to essentials like rent and groceries. 30% can go for wants like entertainment or dining out. And 20% can go into savings, which eventually leads to investments. Mastering personal finance is the foundation for financial freedom. It's not just about making money, it's about managing it well. Now let's talk about corporate finance. Imagine you're running a business. How do you decide what to spend on marketing, new products, or hiring? That's where corporate finance comes in. Corporate finance focuses on three main areas, which deals with capital raising, that is getting money through loans or investors, allocating resources, which deals with deciding where to spend or invest, and managing risk, which focuses on making sure that the business stays profitable. For example, if a company borrows money to open a new store, they need to ensure the profits from that store covers the loans and generates returns for investors. So let's look at public finance. Public finance deals with how government manages money and resources to serve its citizens. And this deals with collecting taxes, funding infrastructure, and providing services like education, healthcare, security, and the likes. For instance, when citizens pay their taxes, that money goes towards building roads, running schools, and even funding emergency services. Also, governments can borrow money by issuing or raising bonds to be able to fund projects. Public finance is crucial because it ensures that society runs smoothly. But just like personal and corporate finance, it's all about balancing income and expenses. Now that we have understood the three types of finance, let's look at three core concepts that applies to all of them. The first one is savings. This deals with setting aside money for the future. The second one is investing, which focuses on making money work or grow over time. And then budgeting has to do with planning on how to use your money effectively. So let's take budgeting for example. Whether you are a student managing your allowance or a CEO allocating millions, the principles are the same. It's all about making sure that your money work for you. Here's how it connects in real life. Imagine you save $100 a month. Over time, you will invest that money in a mutual fund, and thanks to compound interest, it grows significantly. Now, you have funds to start a small business. That's personal finance, leading to corporate finance. And when you pay your taxes from your business profits, you are contributing to public finance. It's a full circle. So, there you have it, a quick introduction to finance and why it's so important in our lives. Understanding finance gives you the power to make better decisions, whether it's managing your own money or running a business. In the next episode, we will dive deeper into how money works, from the barter system to digital currencies. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Finance and Strategy Academy, and don't forget to turn on notification so you don't miss out.